Then you have downloaded 3D model, but there are no textures available. There are no textures available within the model, and they are available as different files in the textures folder. Let me show you how you can use them. Add them to your model. Click on New and get the principled BSDF. Now add an image texture. Now open the textures. It should be albedo or color or base color. Should be added to the base color. Do the same for roughness, metalness, and then normal or displacement. Roughness, metalness, displacement or normal is usually blue in color. You can easily identify it. Only the base color and or the albedo color has to be sRGB. Others has to be set to non-color for better results. You should have done that before copying them or duplicating them. Connect the roughness into roughness, metalness into metalness, metallic, just for normal or displacement. You're supposed to convert them before adding them using a normal map. Put them into the color and then now add the converted normal into the normal. That should do it. In some assets, you can just select the textures here. They will be packed into the model itself. In some of them, they will be in separate file. So base color or albedo is your color, and the AO has to be mixed into this for adding ambient occlusion. Use mix color, set it to multiply. What are we doing? Duplicate this. Select your AO. This is a random model I downloaded from the Fab store. I will link it in the description if you want it.